Welcome back to the channel Postman Daily. Today we are exploring a stunning example of a modern residential architecture, a single-story home that proves you don't need massive height to make a massive statement. First impressions are everything that and this front elevation captures the eye immediately. Notice the balance of materials here. We have used a sophisticated palette of neutral white and grays, but we have punctuated them with the bold, edgy red vertical elements. This creates a sense of rhythm and heights. Uh, the stone cladding on the right side provides a natural grounded texture and that contrasts beautifully with the uh, smooth, high-quality paint finishes. This is a design that feels both solid and light at the same time. Moving into the wider front view, let's talk about the geometry. Modern design is all about the shapes. Look at the rectangular framing around the windows and the CNC cut decorative jolly work about the porch. These aren't just for looks, they provide privacy while allowing air to circulate. One of the standout feature of this home is integrated lighting. We have placed the resist warm white LEDs under the roof, overhangs and along the boundary wall. At night, this home transforms. The light crosses over the texture of the stone and wood finishes gate, creating a warm, welcoming glow. It turns a functional boundary wall into a design feature that enhances the entire property value. Now let's look at the final design perspective. Uh, the carporch is designed with a wide open span layout supported by a single elegant pillar. This ensures the easy movement for vehicles while keeping the front of the house looking uncluttered. The ceiling of the porch features wood grain finish, which adds warmth to the entry experience. Small details like wall-mounted up and down lights create a dramatic effect against the stone pillars. We have also paid close attention to the landscaping. The low maintenance planter box along the wall brings a splash of green and pink, softening the hard edges of the architecture and connecting the building to natural environment. A common mistake in home design is focusing only on the front and forgetting the sides. In the side elevation view, you can see how the design wraps along the building. The red vertical bands continues here, providing a visual link to the front. The window frames are slightly recessed, which not only looks premium but also provides a bit of natural shading from the afternoon sun. The roof line is kept clean and flat, following a minimalist box-style architecture that is very popular in modern urban settings. It's a look like that is timeless, easy to maintain, and exceptionally elegant. Finally, let's look at this alternative concept featuring a stunning rooftop pergola and glass railing. This person shows how versatile this floor plan can be. By adding a vertical wooden element and sleek overhead frame, we have created a functional outdoor terrace. Our philosophy for this project was simple and elegant. We avoided over decorating and instead focus on high quality textures, Vastu-friendly layouts, and color palette that feels fresh and modern. Whether you are looking for a compact city home or luxurious suburban retreat, These design elements can be adapted to fit your vision. This project is a testament to how thoughtful planning and clear aesthetic can create a home that is truly a masterpiece. Thank you for joining us on this walkthrough. If you are looking to build your dream home, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more architecture inspiration. For more images and ideas like this, you can check out our website www.houseplans.com and houseplans.world. Also, check out our apps, House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Planners and Designers. Thank you. See you in the next video.